This means that we are gonna make 8 dough balls, and each of them will measure roughly 215 grams. This is a spatula. It will be very important buying this tool that allows you to cut properly the dough or to collect from a table. 212 grams more, and it could be because the flour absorbed the water in a different way, so don't worry about that. Let's bowl it now. So the bowling activity looks like what we have done before for the big dough. So we have to fold quickly, making sure to capture the oxygen. You see my hand? So I stretch from a side and I fold, stretch and fold, and then at some point I flip it, and I make sure that the bowl shape is made by using my big finger. So stretch, fold, stretch, fold, stretch, fold, stretch, fold, stretch, fold again, and again, again, and at some point I flip it, and with my hand, the left hand in that case, basically grab the bottom of the bowl and I twist somehow the bowl to make this mozzarella-like shape. Actually, this is the way